In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make DuckDuckGo as default search page in Microsoft Edge. If you're looking for a more privacy-focused search experience, this walkthrough will guide you from opening Edge to setting DuckDuckGo as the default for all your address bar searches step by step. Start by opening Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once it's up, look to the top right corner of the window for the three dots, sometimes called the More or Settings and More menu. Click that, then choose Settings. This is where you can adjust how Edge behaves, install tools, and manage your browsing preferences. Inside Settings, find and click Extensions in the left sidebar. This section shows everything you've added to enhance Edge. To get the tool we need, click the option that says Get Extensions for Microsoft Edge. That opens the official add-on store in a new tab so you can safely install what you need. In the store search bar, type DuckDuckGo. You're looking for the DuckDuckGo extension that helps integrate privacy features and ensures the search engine is available in Edge. When you see it in the results, click Get. Edge will prompt you to confirm, so go ahead and click Add Extension. After a moment, you should see a confirmation that the extension has been added. Now head back to the Settings tab. At the top of the Settings page, there's a search box that helps you quickly find specific controls. Type search engine into that box. You'll see a result related to your address bar and search engine preferences. Click it to open the search engine settings. Here you'll see a list of search providers available to Edge. Look for DuckDuckGo in the list. On the right side of that row, click the three dots to open the menu for that provider. Choose Make this default. Once you do, Edge updates the default engine used whenever you type a query directly into the address bar. That's it. From now on, when you type a word, a question, or a URL into the address bar and press enter, Edge will use DuckDuckGo to handle the search. If the layout in your version of Edge looks a little different, don't worry. Microsoft occasionally moves these options, but the flow remains the same. Open Settings, add the DuckDuckGo extension from the store, search for search engine in Settings, then set DuckDuckGo as the default from the menu next to its name. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more privacy-friendly search experience in Edge.